We worked really closely with the BILT team to develop the program that we need for the floor. The feedback from the employees has been overwhelmingly positive. They much rather look at something that they can move, touch, zoom in, zoom out, and then get a really good idea of what it is that they're doing on the line. It's also helped with our standardization.
Training without the BILT app, you have to rely on your employees around you to guide you to a step-by-step process. And that could be like 7 people trying to help you out. And that slows down the production too. With the BILT app, it's more efficient, more reliable. You're helping yourself and everyone else to gain more production on the line.
We've seen an increase in productivity by eliminating the need for someone to be on the job with someone who is training. So essentially, the person would be training for about 2 weeks with someone right next to them. And now we can cut that time in half, where we're able to do one-on-one for about a week, and then the rest of the week we'll use BILT as a supplement.
So starting out with the manual, it was very difficult trying to find out each section where we were building it on the breaker. Now transitioning over to BILT, it made it very easy. I could find exactly what I needed in almost an instant. And then, of course, when BILT gives you the visual effect, then you actually see the part that you're holding in your hand that you're about to install into the breaker.
If it took me like 1 hour, so with that BILT app, it helped me, like I can do it in half an hour or 40 minutes. It decreased my 20 to 30 minutes of time during the assembly process.
After BILT, we kind of employed this system and let the employees run on their own and see how well it worked. And so far, it's been a huge success.